Hello everyone, this is the first devlog about my new game called... I don't have the name. So, this game is inspired by Bomberman. That's the game, if you don't know, about little dudes that place little bombs and they explode and blow up things. I played that game as a child and was amazed by it. I had so much fun playing it. And I want to remake that game with my own characters and stuff, but multiplayer, local multiplayer, to have fun with my friends. So first thing, I started making sprites because I want the game look as nice as I can. I made the sprites for player, fire, and I use my old sprites that I already had to make for walls. When I was making player, I was thinking to make player as simple as possible, so I can add different skins for player easily. I already made a prototype for the game with one player and made logic for the bomb. You can collect fire to expand the explosion of the bomb and collect more bombs so you can place more bombs, if that makes any sense. So I made a basic game loop. Then in the future I will add different maps and lots of stuff. Next thing, I added one more player so I can test this game with my brother. I added player. So when adding player, I change input and movement code a little bit so it can support more players, so it can easily be changed for another players. I made power-ups to power up the player, make the bomb stronger. Then I wanted to make UI, some basic UI, so something simple. And I went to Sprite, made it, draw it. It was a lot of fun. I like drawing in Sprite. That program is such a great thing. Made UI. Then in code I just use for loop to loop over player stats and add them to UI. That was very easy. So this is final result of the game, what I made up to now. I started this project mainly because I love co-op local multiplayer games. You and your buddy have fun near one to other and play games. I love that experience. I'm sad that big companies don't make more of those games. They were a big part of my childhood and they made it awesome. So until next devlog, bye.